guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on the floor, I know. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to get back up. So I don't know why I'm down here. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and get into the video and see how I made this super glam rotating jewelry holder. Okay, so for this project, I'm pretty much gonna be using all Dollar Tree stuff. I already had this on hand. It's a Lazy Susan. I bought 2 round mirrors, and they were originally black, but to save time, I spray painted them metallic silver. I got 2 paper towel holders. Again, I was lucky enough to find them in chrome because usually they have the white ones. And then I got this package of 12 mini wavy plates. I got 2 of these packs of hooks. They're like suction cups, but they have the hooks. And then my dilemma again is not seeing any of this diamond wrap at any of the Dollar Trees that I've gone to. Not the silver kind anyway, so I still have a little bit of this. And then I have a lot from a bigger roll from Totally Dazzled. So I do have a lot of scraps that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to be also using some silver wire cutters, pliers, hot glue gun, and then I'll go along and see what else I'm gonna need for this. Now what I'm gonna do is take these out of the package. I'm not gonna need the suction cups. All I'm gonna need are the hooks. And each package carries 9 of them, so I'm gonna have 18 hooks in total. Or actually, I think I could just slide them off. I don't need my pliers for that. So I'm gonna take my paper towel holders. I'm gonna take some of my wire, cut those, and I'm going to wrap it around right here to hold it together. Now what I'm going to do is take my diamond wrap, and I'm going to wrap around like that to cover all the way down. That way you don't just see like the empty space. I am going to put some hot glue right on the edge here. I'm going to stick it right onto the metal, just on the edge right there. I'm going to wrap it around, and I'm going to put hot glue on the part that's going to touch the other side, just so it has a nice hold. And then I'm going to wrap it around again and then put glue on that end and attach it to the other side again. Okay, so just like that. And I'm going to do that all the way down. All right, now that that's all wrapped up, as you can see, I'm going to take the hooks that I took off the suction cups and I'm going to start placing them around here. I'm going to need to take my pliers and pry them open a little bit to get it around the frame here. I'm gonna just put a little bit of hot glue on each end or on the sides, because I'm gonna put glue on this thing anyways. So I figured if I just put a little dollop, once it dries, the hooks won't move. All right, while those hooks dry, I'm gonna take the mirror. I'm gonna take one of the mirrors and then also my Lazy Susan. And what I forgot earlier was my E6000 glue, so I'm going to be using that as well. I'm going to use this one right here. Again, I'm just going to put some hot glue on there, and I'm just going to go all the way around. Alright, so now taking my mirror, I'm going to put some E6000 glue right on the edge here. And basically what that's going to do, you know what, E6000 company, you need to do a little better on your glue. It's so expensive, and it always gets jacked up. It never fails. Seriously, do something about your glue tubes, please. Okay, so I'm just going to put that right on the edge here. Because I want it to have a good hold, but since it doesn't dry very fast, I'm also going to put hot glue on there. So that part's done. I'm gonna take my other mirror, put it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my little plates here, and as you can see, they're not perfectly square. They have like a little wavy design to it, and I'm just gonna find a spot to put these. You know what? I just thought of something as I was doing this, so I'm gonna leave the center just like that, and I will show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna need an extra supply, but I will get to that. So I'm gonna put some hot glue right around the square here. You're gonna be able to see the glue a little bit, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. You could always spray paint these silver. I kind of just wanted it like that because I wanted the reflection of the mirror to kind of bounce off. So super weird. I'm gonna take this small clear cup that I just went to get from our cupboard. I was trying to find an empty, like a empty paper roll or paper towel thing, but I couldn't find any. And you can always get some of like the tall fancy shot glasses from the Dollar Tree as well, but since I have this, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna bust out my extra bling wrap here, and I'm gonna wrap it all around just so it looks nice and pretty. Alright, that's all blinged out. Now I'm going to take my little cup here and glue it right on the mirror. Then I'm going to take another one of these little trays and set it right on there. I'm going to take my bottom base here. I'm going to put a little bit of E6000 glue on the very center ring on the paper towel holder, and then hot glue around the outer corner or on the outer ring. Now I'm going to put some E6000 glue on top of this one. Very carefully, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to go along the edges here and put like a good amount of hot glue like all around, just to make sure it stays. And I'm talking a lot. So hey, guess what? I'm adding another thing that I wasn't going to add to it. I have these leftover gems from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to be using also. Sorry I do this to you guys, but that's just the way I work sometimes. All I'm going to do is put a little dot of hot glue and stick it right in there. So that was it, and I apologize again for adding stuff in there that I didn't show in the beginning. That's just the way my mind works sometimes. Before I let you guys go, I'm gonna kind of pick this up for scale to show you guys how huge this thing is. Well, it's not huge, ginormous, but it's a pretty good size. And so this Lazy Susan did come out pretty lazy for me. I wish I would have been able to like make sure it turned smoothly, but this will do. So I just added a little bit of my jewelry here so you guys could kind of see what my idea behind it was. So anyways, here for scale. Alright guys, that is all. I think I need to get to bed, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ta-ta!